Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And I wanted to say hello to all the YouTube friends and family that watch me and acquaintances. And I'm here with my friend Lamb Chop. And we're going to discuss tonight a special strategy that will ensure your success on keto. And the strategy is, as Lamb Chop has suggested to me about an hour ago, planning ahead, making a successful plan for your keto diet journey. And I want to first say, do you do much planning for your keto diet and lifestyle? Yes or no? I'd love to know that answer. You know, starting a new diet can be very daunting and exciting at the same time. The ketogenic diet has gained immense popularity in recent times, and for the right reasons, everybody. It promises significant weight loss, boosts energy and stamina, improves mental health, and curbs body inflammation. But like any other diet or lifestyle, keto requires complete dedication and a solid plan to achieve your goals. And Lamb Chop agrees with that. The thing is, in this video, we'll discuss the importance of prepping your meals. Very key to success in keto, making a shopping list, scheduling your workouts and your cardio, and planning ahead of time to keep you on track. So let's begin. Number one, preparing your meals ahead of time. Planning your meals for the week can be the best way to stick to your keto diet and lifestyle. And prepping them ahead of time is crucial and very pivotal, everybody. Spend some time on weekends to chop and cook your vegetables, prep your meats, and portion your snacks. This way, your meals can be ready to grab and go during the busy work days. And we do have some busy work days, and Lamb Chop knows about that. Use a meal planner or an app like Carb Manager to manage your dietary requirements and keep track of your macros. There's a new app called Chronometer, which is very, very good also. Chronometer, and you might want to find that, and that might be helpful for you in terms of managing your dietary requirements. Now, you know, creating a shopping list is very important too. Going to the grocery or supermarket with a mindset of knowing what you want to pick up will limit you swaying from the diet. Going to the grocery store without a plan is a recipe for a disaster. And Lamb Chop would agree with that, especially when you're on a strict diet like keto. And you should be strict in the beginning with what you're doing. Make a list of keto-friendly items that you need for the whole entire week and stick to your list while shopping. Stick to a specific list. Avoid the aisles with processed foods, usually in the middle of the grocery store, and sugary drinks. Stay away from them. And load your cart with fresh produce, high-quality meats, and healthy fats like nuts and seeds. Usually in the periphery of a grocery or supermarket, you'll find your fresh produce. And Lamb Chop agrees with that for sure. And it's good to do some cardio, some walking, do regular exercise, to help you lose weight and maintain a healthy body type. Scheduling your workouts ahead of time can be helpful in sticking to a routine. Choose a workout plan that suits your fitness level and preference and block off time in your calendar for it week to week. Whether it's a morning jog, brisk walk, or an evening yoga class, find what works for you and make it a priority because it's very helpful in terms of your overall weight loss program. Planning ahead is very, very crucial. And life can be very unpredictable, ladies and gentlemen, and the things don't always go as planned sometimes. But prepare for contingencies that can help you stay on track with your keto diet and lifestyle. Keep some keto snacks like almonds, jerky, beef jerky, pepperoni slices, cheese in your bag for unexpected hunger pangs, and plan alternative meal options when eating out. You can also pack your meals in a cooler bag while traveling to avoid eating unhealthy airport or convenience store food. So it's always good to predict ahead week to week to definitely prep for your keto meals. And for snacks too, if you do require them. Usually with keto, after a number of weeks, you won't need too many snacks, believe me. If you stick to low carbs, low carbohydrates, generally 20 total grams of carbs or less, lead with nutritious proteins, and use fat as a lever, you generally will, as time goes on, will not be looking for a big snack during the day at all. In summary, planning and preparation are essential to the success of your keto diet and journey. By prepping your meals, creating a shopping list, and scheduling your workouts and your cardio, and planning ahead, you can stay focused on your goals, avoid unhealthy food choices, and develop a healthy relationship with the food that you eat. And Lamb Chop agrees with that for sure. Remember to be patient with yourself, be consistent, and enjoy the process of being keto adapted. You can do it. You can do this keto thing. Comments, please let me know below this video. And also please subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube channel. I would be very grateful and honored if you subscribed to it. And again, Stu Weinstock here from Miami, Florida, with my good friend Lamb Chop. And she's very quiet this evening, but she wanted me to stress the importance of prepping ahead. And also, if you're going out to eat to a local restaurant, it's good to look at the menu ahead of time online. Take a look at what are keto-friendly items that you can request at the restaurant. Always advocate for yourself. Ask and ask the waiter about certain things that are more keto-friendly than others, and certainly watch the sauces and rubs that you put on meats, because a lot of them can have high carbohydrate, high carb content, and that's an area to kind of watch out for. Okay, so again, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well. We'll catch you again tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye now.